So my name is Omar Rabasad. It's Thursday, February 7th, 2019 at 10:48 a.m. So my side is tagged, my obliques, and this has been going on all night. Notice the high reading there, side of the breast. And before I'm gonna just leave this on here. And I'm going to take my blood pressure at the beginning of this session, recording session. It takes a few seconds. So the thighs are hurting right now. It's being pulsed. And it is 127 over 85. So that's the pressure. Now I'm going to keep it on. And I'm going to show you the tagging, the continuous tagging, and the effect it has on the blood pressure, which is consistent since I started doing this a few days ago. The side of the breast itself, the chest area, but mainly the obliques has the power turned up on the left side more than the right now. And the leg, that's the leg, upper thigh. And the power just went down on the leg because the pain disappeared. So it's going on 3 minutes. The breast. So somebody shouted outside the window, it's on and off. Everything is ticked off on the report about me. And the person who signed me out put it back on me, meaning I could be hit with microwaves on an on and off system when it's red alerted. So that's the experiment being carried out. It's the chest area. Chest. I hear a family member is doing this, is flagging me and registering me back, so I could be tortured this way. The breast. These marks here are where I had the electrodes for a heart monitor that was advised by the doctor, my cardiologist. On my back. So it's going on 5 minutes. See, it went up to 1800 there. So the power is turned up on the chest. So that's my leg. The leg is setting off the alarm. The calves isn't, but it's mainly the chest. So the power is definitely turned up. Mainly around this area right here. So I'm going to take the pressure again. So that was 6 minutes approximately, and a few seconds. Just changed the screen on me there. And I got up feeling really, really tired this morning. And it's 124 over 83. So I'm just going to show you that. I'm going to do it one more time. And if the power goes down while I'm doing this, the power that I am being harassed with, and the power did go down, the pressure would go down, and it actually went up 131 over 87. So the higher the power, the higher the increase in blood pressure.